this is my review of a Blue Streak high-speed mosquito craft. It's for international competition. It's ready to run out of the box, comes with the stand. It's too big to fit on my camera screen, so yeah, I'll put it over there. Comes with a stand. Little plastic one, it's meant to look like wood. But then comes with this battery, big one. It's actually a reasonable size if it was in a car. Nickel metal hydride though. 7.2 volt, 18,000 milliamp hour. No, sorry, 1,800, 18,000. I just stupid. No, burn out the engines. Righto. Righto, you take off that canopy there. That just has a button at the back. Righto, I'll go their props in there. There's the motors. They're brushed. I don't know what sort of motors they are. As I said, it's ready to run, so it doesn't tell you much. Your battery clips in there, you plug it onto there, and it has to be grounded to run. It can't run out of the water for safety reasons, but you can just put your hand on there and then use the controller. I'll do that actually, I'll show you. Put it back on its stand, get the transmitter, if I can find it, there it is. Okay, there's the transmitter. I've got a strap on it, a lanyard, so there you go. That's on. Now take it off. Righto, you plug in your battery. I'm sure you know how to plug in a battery, so I won't show you that. Just put that over there. Switch on your remote, and as you can see, it does nothing. You put your fingers on the little transmission shafts in there. Put your hands on the transmission shafts and... oh, what? Oh, right, you have to switch it on up here. Right, see, it does nothing now it's switched on. Then you put your hands on there. Okay, I'll put the transmitter away. Oh yeah, it's 2-channel, left, right, up, down. I mean, sorry, I just did my plane review. Left, right, and throttle, or forward. It doesn't have backwards. I know it's reasonable size, I don't know what scale it is. It's cheap things, like 60, 70 bucks. So, yeah. There it is. Thanks for watching.